Road friends, me and Ivy are back with another matching game. Ivy insisted on making another matching game because she liked the egg one we made for Chicks and Bunnies week last week. So she actually came up with this matching game idea. Do you want to tell them what you thought of doing? Okay, she wanted to make farm animals for some of the cards, and the other cards are the foods that they eat. And I will show you a closer look at the cards that we printed out. I wanted to show you what we've got going on. So Ivy, point to the horse. What does the horse eat? What are those? Oats?
Oats. Can I put them in the pile?
Yeah. Point to the cow. What does the cow eat? What is that?
Grass.
Okay. Where's the chicken?
That's not called a chicken. It's called a rooster.
A rooster. What does the rooster eat? What is that stuff?
Lamb and lettuce.
Okay. What's next? Where's the pig? What's the pig eat? What is that?
Coin.
All right. What about the dog? Where's the dog? What's the dog eat? What is that?
Sweets.
Treats?
Yeah.
Sure.
They're called sweets.
Okay. What's that?
Duck.
What's the duck eat? What is that?
This and grass.
Yep. Okay, only a couple left. Where's the goose?
Duck.
Okay. What's it eat?
Grass.
Okay. Where's the goat? What's it eat? Looks like some wheat and shrub. And last one. What is that last one?
Sheep.
And what's it eat?
Grass.
Okay, good job. I put a little picture of what they eat in the corner there to help Ivy have a little visual for what card she's looking for. Let's flip them over. Okay. Oats. Who eats oats? Horses. All right, see if you can find the horse. No. My turn. What is that?
I don't know.
Looks like a worm and some spinach or leaves. Cow.
Those don't eat that way.
No. One of the animals eats fish and grass. Does dog food eat that? No.
No.
Dog? I see a picture of dog food. Dog food. I got a match. Your turn.
Two animals. It's 2-1, right?
Yay!
You win.
Well, let's count them up.
Yeah. Not very many.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your turn.
I got 1, 2,